guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So I do look a little weird today because I do have on foundation and brows and concealer and powder because today's video is going to be our Boxycharm. Side note, we're not going to talk about the fact that my face is orange and my neck is not. Okay, we're just going to ignore that and we're going to move on. Secondly, I swear I looked in this box before filming this, but I literally put on my foundation and everything, and there are gold eye masks in here. So I won't be using these right now. I might do like a thing tonight where I put these on after I've taken off all my makeup and everything. But as of right now, these are the Wonder Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks, and they sound quite nice. Also, I'm kind of everywhere today. Okay, the theme for this month's Boxycharm is Life of the Party. Okay, then back to these. There are 3 of these little eye masks and it retails for $13, which I feel like is not too bad. So I will definitely try these out and let you guys know either later in this video or sometime else. And then I was stupid as well and I thought this was something completely different, but this is the Becca Evermatte Poreless Priming Perfector. Now obviously I have my foundation on, so I can't try this out. And I'm so mad at myself because now I only have a few things to try out for you guys. It said it retails for $15 to $18, I guess, depending on which primer you got, because there were a few different ones. But this is really awesome to receive in a Boxycharm. That's cool, and I will try it out later. Again, I'm so sorry. I'm just all over the place, I guess. Alright, but the next thing I will be trying out is this. And this is the Laura Lee Los Angeles Party Animal palette. Now, I was excited to see this in our Boxycharm this month just because I have wanted to try Laura Lee in her shadows and support her, but I just haven't gotten around to it. This is like super nice quality packaging, which is awesome. And then these are what the colors look like. So it's not the most wearable palette, but it's still really pretty. So we're going to be putting this on our eyes. This retails for $19. So now that we're up close and personal, I already primed my eyes and everything. I honestly don't know what look I'm going to do with this because I'm not the most creative person in the world. So we're just going to do something and hope it goes okay. So I'm going to take this one, this yellow shade. It's called Issa Party. And it's not even picking up how neon these shades are on the camera. Like, these are so neon. It's ridiculous. Okay. Honestly, like I said, I don't really know what I'm doing. I'm kind of just hoping this turns out okay. Okay, I think next I'm gonna go into this shade, which is the orange one called Drinks. Cute. Next, what I'm gonna do, I'm so unsure of myself, it's ridiculous. I think I'm gonna go into the blue in the palette, the Damage Control. I'm just gonna put this all over my lids, because why not? Holy... Okay. That's blue. We have learned from it. I feel like I may look like a peacock. We're just gonna take this yellow and put it down there. And the next product in the box is this, which is from Bang Beauty. And this is a little gel eyeliner in the shade Chocolate, which probably won't go with this look whatsoever. So this is just says it can be used as an eyeliner and eyeshadow base or even to touch up your brows. Oh, that's cool. And it says it's $22. Okay, this is what the shade looks like. I don't think it's gonna match my eye look whatsoever, but I'm gonna try. I am so sorry that I am such a hot mess in this video, guys. It's just not my day. I don't know if it's just because the blue eyeshadow is underneath it or if it's just not completely opaque. Seems like I have to build it up a lot. Okay, so my wings are uneven, so don't judge that. I am just a hot mess in this video. Also, my eyes burn so bad, I think because I've had taken off makeup so much in the past couple days. But I actually really like this eyeliner. I think it was nice. I'll have to try it again, definitely when I'm not doing such a crazy like eyeshadow look. But right now I'm going to put on mascara, do the rest of my face, and then come back to you guys. Okay guys, and the next thing in the box is this little guy. This is the NCLA Treatment So Rich Vitamin E Infused Cuticle Oil. You gently apply and massage it into your nails and cuticles 2 times a day to nourish and soften your nails. And this retails for $18. I don't know, I've never really used a cuticle treatment before, so I'll just do it on one of my nails because I don't have on nail polish. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. I don't know, it smells really good. I don't really know much about nail treatments, but I'll use it, so that's cool. And then the last thing in the box is this. This is the Smashbox Be Legendary Liquid Metal, and I have mine in the shade Petal Metal. You had assorted colors in the box, so not everyone got this one. It should glide in just one swipe, getting you out the door and into party quicker. So it says that it retails from either $21 to $24. This is the color. I am not a fan of metallic lips, and I do not think that this will match this eye look whatsoever, but we're gonna put it on anyway. This has the weirdest applicator. Okay, it's honestly not as bad as I thought it would be. Like, it's pretty, but also it's weird to me. I don't know. Alright guys, so that was everything in this month's box. I didn't total it up, but I'm for sure that it adds over $100. It normally does. A little quick rundown. Again, I don't know about these or the primer yet, and I will be testing them out later. Sorry I didn't do that today, I'm just a doofus. The eyeshadow palette, I think it's very nice. It feels like nice quality. The shadows are nice. The only thing is I don't know if you can necessarily make a look out of this one palette like I did today, but I don't think it goes together. I don't know. I think maybe if you're more creative than I am, then you could totally do something, but I'm just not the most creative. But I'm still glad to have it, like, use it in conjunction with some of my other palettes. This eyeliner, this gel eyeliner, I really actually like this, surprisingly. I want to use it when I haven't done something crazy on my lids to see if it actually is buildable and is a nice color and everything. So this one I like. I also like this NCLA nail treatment. My nail that I put it on feels really smooth and nice now, and it smelled really good like the actual product did, so happy about that. And then lastly, I probably won't get much use out of this, but I do think it's kind of cool if you did just put it like in the center of your lips and then like maybe put a gloss over it or something. It might bring attention to the center of your lips and give you that like extra pouty looking lip, you know. But anyway, yeah guys, that was it. Thank you guys for hanging out with me today and watching this video. Give it a like down below if you did like it, and make sure to subscribe before you leave. And I hope you guys are having a blessed day or night wherever you are, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!